Hi friends, this is Trilochan from Silan Software Pvt. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Intellij IDEA environment. So in Google, if I will type Intellij IDEA, so you see just a little bit information about Intellij IDEA. So it is an integrated development environment written in Java for developing computer software written in Java, Kotlin, Groovy and other JVM based languages. So what we got the point, it is an integrated development environment. It is a field where we will develop and execute Java applications. Not only Java applications, Kotlin, Groovy, many applications it is possible that we can develop in this environment. So JetBrains is the developer of this environment. So now we will see how to download and install this environment. So as a result, we will get a complete application development environment where we can develop and execute Java application. Especially I am saying about Java application development. So first of all, we will download. So if I will type IntelliJ IDEA download, then I will go to the first link and you see. So what is coming to our picture? You see the version. So the latest version is 2022.3 and the latest version released in 30th November 2022. So and you see IntelliJ IDEA available for Windows operating system, Mac operating system and Linux operating system. So I am saying about Windows operating system. So here we are getting so two edition, one is Ultimate Edition and one is Community Edition. So Community Edition is free, but in this edition we will get IntelliJ IDEA software freely. So you see, so there is a download option. So I will click on download option. So now IntelliJ IDEA software downloaded. So this response that immediately we will get, thank you for downloading IntelliJ IDEA. Since I have already this IntelliJ IDEA software I have downloaded. So now I am cancelling. Okay, so very simple. This is the way that we can download IntelliJ IDEA. So very simple, very simple. So now after installation of IntelliJ IDEA, so I will go to my download option. You see, so this is my IntelliJ IDEA software. So immediately I will install. So installation is very simple. I will double click. So now I will installation process will start. So it may take very few a time. So now so installation will start. Click on yes button. Okay, click on yes button. Then simply click on next button to continue. Click next. Then you see we have to create a desktop shortcut. For that we will put a tick mark, and here also we will put a tick mark because add open folder as a project. So project creating a project option coming to the picture, and as a result we will create a project structure and create associations .java .groovy .kt. So basically I am saying about Java application. You know, every Java program file extension name is .java. So here, or that's why I am selecting .java option. So in .java I am putting the tick mark. Here path set of I will it will add bin folder to the path. Then click on next button, click then install. So after click on install button, now the installation process started. So it may take some times. So guys, very what one of the nice environment, one of the nice field where we can develop and execute Java applications. So now the installation is going on, and after installation I will show you so how to simply what develop and execute a Java program. So you remember which edition that we downloaded, that is community edition, because community edition is completely free. That means freely we are getting this Intellij IDEA software. Okay, two edition. So community edition always we will select for learning purpose. So we are selecting community edition. So now the installation is going on, and guys, one another point you remember, before downloading Intellij IDEA, first of all, you install JDK software. So at least minimum JDK 1.8 above. So here in my system, I have installed JDK 19. So JDK software, first of all, you have to install. So after successfully installation of JDK, then it will be better. You will go to this point. You will download Intellij IDEA and install. So now the installation is going on. So within a few time, so it will complete. Yes. So now this installation completed. Now click on finish button. Okay, so in this way we downloaded and installed Intellij IDEA software. Now I will go to my desktop. You see, a shortcut have created. Now we will open Intellij IDEA environment. I will double click. So Intellij IDEA environment is opening. You see, this is the environment, and in this environment we will develop and execute our Java program. Okay, so you see file, you go to file, then new and project. So you click, so new project. Now I will create, suppose project name is my example. Suppose my example one. Let it my example one. Suppose then so already language Java have specified. My JDK version is 19 that I have installed. So I will click on create button. So open project, where would you like to open the project my example? Yes, I can. You can use also this window, otherwise you can what if you will click on new window, so in new window will create, so no need, so I will click on this window. Okay, so you see one project structure created, and that project name is my example one. And you see, so there is a default hello world program, that is main.java. Okay, so simple program, it is a hello world program. Okay, so it is a hello world, simple hello world program. Okay, so if I want to create a Java program, if I want to create a simple Java program, then I will go to src. Okay, so before that, if I will run this program, you see, so this is the run option. So now I will click in the run option, then so you see one source build. So now it is executing. So automatically what hello world will come to the picture as output. Now it is process is going on, you see. So hello world to the picture. Now I want to what see a small another, suppose how I will create a small .java file. So small program. So every Java program file extension name is a .java. So that we know already. So you go to src in my project structure. This is my project structure. In my project structure there is a folder src. Just you right click on src folder, new. Okay, Java class. Okay, suppose if I will write example 1, suppose, let it. Okay, let my class name is example 1 and hit enter. Okay, so here automatically one class created. So if I will write one output statement, system.out.println. So if I will write within double quote, suppose I will write Java means Silan Software, but before that one point I forget it. So main method public a static word main string args. Okay, so we will write this. Okay, so because main exact main method control will demand that main method is public static void main string args. So one here one output statement I wrote, simple, it is nothing but hello world application. Now I will hit run. So now the process is going on, control is executing, execution is going on, you see. So then we will get the output this. So this is a very simple hello world program. My point is, so in which way we can develop and execute a simple Java application in IntelliJ IDEA environment. So I hope everybody got clarity. So overall, what we did, we simply downloaded IntelliJ IDEA software, then we installed. After installation, so we opened that environment. In that environment, how we wrote a simple hello world Java program. So I hope everybody got clarity. Thank you.